You like?
I love.
Girl, this is what I do. Listen, by the time I'm done with you, you would want to lick your body.
Don't flatter me.
No, I'm serious. All right, quick question. Do you have any idea how banging your body is? No, you don't. Okay, look, you should be proud of your skin. This is gold. You should flaunt it.
Thank you. I don't think my boyfriend will be happy to hear these things.
What? Does he know your body is art? Does he? Huh? Look, he should be grateful that he has all of this to himself and not be selfish. The world needs to see this, see all of this.
Okay, so how many people will be in the studio with us?
Aww, someone is shy.
I'm shy, very shy.
Yeah, when it comes to the sensitive part, I'll make sure it's just me in the studio.
Okay, so you blur out the nipples?
Not necessarily.
What do you mean?
I mean, there are creative ways to hide all of those without, blurring them out, of course.
Okay, I was a bit worried.
It's art. Art, you need to embrace it.
Okay.
Embrace it, okay?
Okay.
By the time I'm done with you, if you don't come back for more, my name is not Femi.
I hope so. This is so beautiful.
This is not even a shot.
Wow.
Eh?
Mommy.
What?
Mommy. What is it?
What? Relax now. It's not something we can rush.
Mommy, if you don't have anything to discuss, I have to go to work.
Sandra, why do you want me to die miserable?
Mommy.
Yes, now, what exactly is your problem? What is your problem? Oh, you don't know there's a problem?
There's no problem.
You don't know you have a problem?
I don't have a problem.
Fine girl like you, no man. No man.
Mommy, if I knew this was what you wanted to talk about, I wouldn't have waited.
Oh, stop it. Stop it. Even me, in my 50s, I still know how to work it.
Mommy, do I really have to listen to this?
Oh, yes.
Mommy, when there's a man, I would definitely bring him to you. It's just that it's so hard to find a man in league, and that would...
Sandra, you know I'm your mother. I hope this is not what I'm thinking.
What?
Tell me the truth. You know I'm your mother. And I will protect you. Do you like women?
Mommy.
Hey, now what do you want me to be thinking?
Mommy, it's just that it's so hard to find a good man these days, and that would...
You say?
Is everything okay?
Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Hello, James. Nice to have you. I hope it wasn't difficult to find here. Please come in. Please come in. Yes. Good. Oh, how are you? Please. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you.
Mommy, what's going on?
You said it's hard to find a good man.
Yes.
Exactly. So I found you men. So just pick.
Mommy, trust me, my mom can be extra. God! What is the meaning of this? How can you bring strange men into my house? What if they are robbers?
They are not robbers. They're all looking for a wife. Isn't God wonderful?
Yes, he is, but not like this.
Well, they're here now, so what do?
We? Mom, they should leave the same way they came.
Oh, you're just trying to be as stubborn as your mother.
Mommy, please, they should leave my house. Come to think of it, are they jobless? How can a man with a job come to a lady's house this early in the morning?
It means they are serious about finding a wife.
Okay, yes, they are serious, but please, can they leave my house?
Okay, this is what we do. I have done my own little research. Can you at least interview them?
For what job?
Look, dude, I don't know how else to say it, but I didn't plan for any of this.
It's fine. I believe you. Mostly you're my boss here, so it's just that it feels awkward.
Yeah. I understand. But if it helps, I'll try as much as possible to stay out of your way.
No. Why? Come on. You don't have to do that, Tokumbo. You don't have to. No, come on, stop. It's fine.
Okay? And that?
I was just confirming the alloys of one of the new cars. That's all. Shut off for the rest. Tokumbo, I was thinking, when I left, did anything happen?
Do you really want to know? Because I don't want to lie to you. And I doubt if you believe anything I say to you anyways.
No, I don't think I want to know. I will just get back to work.
Nothing happened.
Sorry?
Nothing happened. She left right after you left. Yeah, and she mentioned you guys ended things.
What? Don't mind Sandra. That's what we usually do. What anything? How? It was obviously a joke. So, like what we do is we break up and we make up. Yeah. You get it?
Yeah, I did. But hey, I'm glad you guys have sorted it out, and I'm sorry about what happened.
Yeah, that's fine. In fact, say, look, so that you know that we're cool, I think that we should do dinner. Yes.
Dinner? I don't think that's a great idea.
Stop it, oh. I'm not joking with you. This is what we do normally now, eh? No wahala now. It's gonna be fun.
Fine then.
Right,
Dinner, yes, absolutely. Set it up.
Great! Talk!
And you're paying. Right?
You see, now can't be a problem before. Yeah, I've heard you.
All right.
Let me get back to...
Sure.
Okay, so I will just make this quick. My mom here says you're looking for a wife.
Wife? No, I specifically told her a relationship.
What's the difference?
Please, can you further explain? What stage would you want to start from?
Yes, of course. See, I would like to start simple. Take things step by step. And let's see how it goes from there. Yeah? See, this thing called marriage is very, very important. Eh? It takes time. So jumping into it right now is just going to be built on lies. Sandra, I don't want to lie to you.
Honesty. I like the sound of that. Interesting.
So, you don't want to marry?
Absolutely correct.
What is wrong with you? What are you doing here?
Madam, take it easy now.
No, really, what are you doing here?
I'm so sorry. My mom can be a bit extra. But, what stage would you like to start?
Can we talk privately?
No, you're not taking my daughter anywhere. Speak your mind. Talk your mind.
Friends with benefit.
Excuse me? Louder.
I said friends with benefits.
What is the meaning of that?
Mommy, it means that he would like us to be friends and sometimes go into each other's bedroom to play.
So, did I tell you I want somebody to get her pregnant? Did I tell you I want somebody to get her pregnant?
Sir.
My name is not Sir. My name is Okoronko.
It's fine, it's fine. Thank you. But you may leave now. You may take your leave.
Sandra, you are a gorgeous lady.
She is very gorgeous. She's beautiful. Yes, she's my daughter. I gave birth to her. She looks like me. Thank you very much and start going. Bye.
If you ever reconsider, your mom has...
No, I've blocked you now.
Great.
Blocking.
Thank you.
Activated. Bye.
Mommy, are you sure you interviewed all these men?
I did. I'm sorry. I still we'll have a few more. Must look a bit more. Next. Auntie.
Should I just tell this woman I have a boyfriend? Oh shit. I don't. I can't believe this. This woman doesn't rate me at all.
Hello. Maybe it's you that I am greeting.
Sandra is greeting you.
Hello. I'm sorry, So, what would you want in a wife?
Very good. You are polite, and you are respectful. So I love it. In fact, in my mind, God is telling me that I finally find my missing ribs.
So, you need to tell God that message did not deliver.
You didn't. It's bad network.
My sister, you don't get it. You see, you can choose to run like Jonah. But don't forget, fish swallowed Jonah and later brought him to his destination.
Her name is Sandra.
You can't deny God.
Not Jonah.
Which kind of wala condition?
Name is Sandra, not Jonah.
Sir, please, I haven't gotten a message from God yet.
Yes.
So maybe when I get it.
When we get it.
Yes, sir. You can leave now, sir.
But you can do
Sir,
fasting
no,
and prayer.
not another word. Sir, you can go, sir. Thank you, sir.
I believe God will do something.
Not this time. Bye. Oh.
Mommy, are you not tired?
This for your own good.
Mommy, I need to go to work. They'll be wondering why I've not gotten there by now.
Fine, it's fine.
Mr. Boyfriend, where's your girlfriend? She okay?
She's coming. She's just running late.
She's running late. She's running late. You dey see time? Wait, it's not even my business. I just want you to know that any extra work here today, now you go do am.
But Kule, what is all this now? I'm not complaining, thank you.
You're not complaining. Mr. Do well will soon be here. So make you know.
I know.
You know.
I know.
You won't fight me? You know. That's it be.
Hey, excuse me, wait now. Huh?
Bro, I don't want any trouble.
Look, I am not here to fight you, okay?
You say? Fight. Bros, forget this gadging. I will run into you in 3 seconds now. Come on, everything beat you up. They were not here to fight. The last person I beat up, see they coma. I mean, cannot they carry vessel.
Like I said, I'm not here to fight you. I'm here to see Sandra.
Sandra?
Yes.
Why? Don't you have another girlfriend?
That is a private discussion.
Excuse me. There's nothing private between you and Sandra. She's my girlfriend, right? So whatever you discuss, I will still know.
You are dating Sandra?
Yes. Don't I look like somebody she can date? Or you're looking down on me?
Right. Right. That must be a joke. And I know I don't have time for that.
Neither do I.
Oh, wait. Please help me call Sandra.
Don't be your phone with this, bro. Call her yourself. Call her. And let me tell you, whatever you tell Sandra, she will still tell me because we're lovers. We have an understanding. We must always discuss things like that. So it's better for you to tell me now. Let me pass the information to her.
Okay, fine. When I said help me call her, I mean tell her that I'm around. That's all.
Well, you can see. She's not around.
Where is she?
That information will only be privy to me, her boyfriend. Idiots.
See.
So, I just want to be your boyfriend, okay? Nothing serious. We can just take it from the normal dates to another level, you know? And see how it goes.
Nice. I know how to pick them.
So, most importantly, what do you do? I was told you own a restaurant.
Yes, I do.
Wow. So you most definitely know how to cook.
I have staff that do that.
Okay, does that mean you don't cook?
I never said that.
And what you said was?
Well, don't mind that she can cook. I trained her. If she bends down to pound yam for you, you'll be shocked.
I'm sorry, I can't pound yam. My hands and back definitely have better things to do.
Other things?
Oh, please. No, that's not what I meant.
You children, you have lost me. Where are we?
Mommy, you don't need to know about that. It's fine.
Okay.
So what do you do?
Me, I'm a rapper. Yeah.
How long for?
I do music for about 10 years.
Wow, and you haven't made it?
You don't get it. Like, this is me trying to pay my dues. You know, I can even make you a piece right now. See, I'm coming out straight this time. Coming out with a little of my own kind of.
That's fine.
I'm doing it my way.
Thank you.
I'm doing it my
No,
way.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
So I would get your number from her or the man that brought you here.
Okay.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you for coming.
Okay, it was nice meeting you.
Okay.
What is that? What? Bye-bye.
I'm sorry. Nice meeting you.
I see you around.
Never. Please go.
Bye.
Mommy, are you not tired?
I can't be tired. This is for your own good.
Mommy, I need to go to work. They'll be wondering why I haven't gotten there.
Okay.
Mommy, how is Uche?
What a time to ask after Uche. Uche is fine. I left him with your cousins.
That means I have to go home soon.
Of course, you have to come and show them Lagos big girl.
Mommy, what of that guy?
Him. He didn't come for the audition.
Hello?
He did not come for the audition.
Mommy, it's fine. I have time.
I thought you said you were running late just now.
Mommy, I have time. It's the last one, no? Hi.
Hi. We haven't met. My name is James.
Sandra.
Good to meet you.
Pleasure is all mine.
I see you don't like any of the guys.
And how would you know that?
Well, I'm smart enough to read your mannerisms.
So, are you single?
Oh, me? No, I'm not here for the audition, actually. I made sure the guys got here in time.
Yes, and you have to go to work.
Mommy, that's fine. So, are you single or Tell me something about yourself. Tell me something, anything.
Okay, well, I am a gym rat. Yeah, I love to go to the gym, work these muscles. I look good, fit. Plus, I'm a sports physiotherapist.
Interesting. So, can you tell me something else? Nothing superficial. Just anything. Something no one knows,
Okay, something else. I am very good in bed.
I like that. Blunt and direct.
Well, thank you.
So, how do you know you're very good in bed?
Well, you may want to ask her. I'm sure she can testify to that.
Mommy?
I've been many places, I've seen many faces. Don't be deceived by all the glow, they feel that everything the post. I've been many places, I've seen many faces. Don't be deceived by all the glow, they feel that everything the post. Men are in sizes, and life is a faces. Be sure to take it steady slow, you cannot count on what